Hello, today we are learning grammar for third standard. Okay, so in my hand, what is the thing? I have a pen. What is this thing name? This is pen. Now I'm adding more pens in this. Now what is this? Pens. Pen, P-E-N, and now it's pens. What we have added? We have added here. Yes. We have added here. Yes. Okay. So to make a singular to plural, so as I said, we are adding yes to make a singular to plural. This is what you have learned in the previous class. But when now you are in the third standard, there are some rules you have to learn. Yes. So singular and the plural, to make a singular noun to make a plural form, we need to follow some rules. So before we get into the rules, we will going to learn now first or revising what is noun, what is singular, plural, what it is, step by step. So let's share me with your the screen. Okay. Here, as I said, see here, a noun is a name of person, place, animal, or thing. This you have learned. Shoe, boy, elephant, book, car, clock, school. Here, places, place, and the person name and the thing's name you can see on the screen. Now, noun, we can noun, singular and the plural. Yes, there are both type of nouns. We are, we have to recognize. Now today we are learning is, we are changing singular nouns to plural form. Okay. What is singular noun? A noun which indicates one person, animal, or thing is said to be a singular noun. Example, as I said before, boy, book, dog, a pencil. Plural noun, more than one noun. Okay, so a noun that indicates a more than one person or animal or thing is said to be a plural noun. Example, boys, pencils, dogs, books. You observe here, we have added yes for the nouns, right? So, there are some example more we are reading now. Singular form of the noun also there, plural form noun also. Plural form is given in the reading. Cake, cakes, toy, toys, cup, cups, a box, boxes, a lady, ladies, pot, pots, lunch, lunches, chimney, chimneys. Students, I want you to observe here important things. Like you have learned that singular to plural, to make a singular to plural, you need to add yes, right? Here you observe like box. We have added here es. After x, we have added es here. And if you read the noun lady, we have added ies and we removed y. And lunch, for the ch at the end of the word, that noun, we have added es. Now why it is so? Why we have to change like this? Now wolf, wolf, last letter is f. Now when it in a plural form, ves, there is no f. Why it's so? Students, yes, there are rules. As I said, we need to keep it in our mind when we are converting singular to plural form. Now, what we need to remember? What is the rules? I'm going to tell with y'all. As I said, you know that adding is you can make a plural form, okay, for the noun. But now I have shown there's some few nouns, we are not adding only yes. There are slight changes. What is that changes and why we need to do that and when and all we have to do that? You have to learn. So I'm teaching that to you all. And one important thing, these rules, you have to keep it in your mind. You need to learn it, okay? Because this is the thing, if you're keeping in your mind, if you understand the rules, you can easily attend the exercise and you'll be easily able to solve any this grammar questions, okay? So let me share. Now, as I said, that I'm sharing the rules of singular and the plural. Here it goes that a noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place, or a thing. Person, animal, place, thing. This is about noun, right? A noun that names one person, animal, place, or thing is called a singular noun. That should be in a one, anything. It's maybe in animals and maybe in a place or the things or the person. They should be a one. Then it is a singular form, right? Boy is a single, cat is a single, house is a single, flower is a single. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place, or thing is called a plural noun. More than one person, more than one animal, more than place, or more than things, like one, it's considered as a plural noun. Now see the boys, we have added just, yes, cat, cats, house, houses, a flower, flowers. So this is a simple thing we have learned in previous class. Now, moving to next, we are adding ES to nouns that end in CH, SH, O, S, double S, X, and Z to get their plural forms. We need to add ES for this. Whenever the nouns end with these letters CH, SH, O, S, double S, X, or Z, we need to add ES. Ostrich, ostriches. C end is CH, dish, SH is the end letter. So we are adding ES here. Mango, the last letter is O, so we are adding ES. And bus, last letter is S, so we are adding ES. Princess, double S, so we are adding ES. Fox, last letter is X, so we are adding ES here. Quiz, last letter is Z, so we are adding ES here. Sometimes some words ending in O takes only S in its plural form. This is, you should remember, children. Sometimes, now just see the piano. We are adding just yes here. Ox, oxen. See, there is some exceptions are there. Here, what I'm saying, ox, oxen. Okay, so there is no rules for that. The nouns that end in a consonant followed by Y change the plural form by changing the Y to I and then adding ES. Now, the word which is end in a Y, but before that, if it is a consonant, now city, Y is a last letter. Before that, R. Now see, R is a consonant, right? So we need to add IES, but here it is an exception. Okay, so this is a wrong. So monkey, monkeys, just adding yes. Exceptions, you need to memorize that. The nouns that end in a vowel followed by Y change into plural form simply adding yes. Whereas if it is a consonant before the Y, we need to add IS, right? So here it is, we have to just add yes. If it is a vowels are there. Now see the E before Y, there is a E, A-E-I-O, sorry, A-E-I-O-U. The form of plural noun that ends of F, F-E, replacing it V-E-S. If the word is ending with F or the F-E, noun word, we have to just remove that and we have to add V-E-S. A few words do not follow the rule. As I said, there is exceptions. Okay, there is exceptions. Now chef, chefs, here it is not following the rule. Some nouns have the same form of singular and the plural. It won't add yes or any other ies, bes. It's a just be the same, like sheep, sheep, hair, hair, a deer, bison, bison. Nouns that do not form plural in the usual way: sheep, hare, deer, and bison. This is the irregular nouns. We call this as irregular. A few singular nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels. What is that? I will tell you, like man. Now you see men. The A is changed now E. Tooth, teeth. These are the things you need to remember, students. These are the rules you need to remember, and the table of these rules you have to memorize, because there are some exceptions are there, some irregular nouns also there. You have to practice that. Thank you for being with me. Take care of yourself.